Fiber-reinforced plastic manhole covers and gratings are removable panels used to cover manhole covers, to prevent anyone from entering the cover and to prevent falling into it. It is therefore expected that FRP manholes will grow because of their longer durability. FRP manhole covers can withstand heavy wear and tear due to vehicular traffic. These manholes can be used in various terrains, roads, and residential societies. With high corrosion and chemical resistance, FRP manhole covers are reliable, and this type of cover can create market growth. This micro lecture discusses all the aspects related to manufacturing of these items. Cast iron and concrete materials are widely used to manufacture manhole covers, but they have disadvantages such as their high weight, high cost, and tendency to encounter water. FRP or fiber-reinforced plastic manhole covers are increasingly replacing traditional cast iron and concrete covers due to their lightweight, high strength, corrosion resistance, and durability. To ensure quality, safety, and performance, these covers must comply with European Standard EN 124 and ASTM, American Society for Testing and Materials, standards. FRP manhole cover passes the same load test as cast iron. It, therefore, has the same load capacity as a conventional cast iron cover. These are classified into 4 groups according to use age, ranging from those for pedestrians, cyclists to heavy trucks and driveways. These are presented in this slide. Fiberglass reinforcement is the key raw material for these products besides the resin for binding. 2 reinforcements include chopped strand mat, which provides random fiber distribution for isotropic strength, and woven roving that can be made from S, C, or E glass. The selection depends on the desired strength, thickness, and load-bearing capacity of the manhole cover. Typically, multiple layers of CSM are used in combination with woven roving or continuous strand mats to achieve the required thickness and load-bearing capacity as per EN 124 or ASTM standards. Woven roving improves impact resistance and tensile strength. Woven roving is used as a structural reinforcement to enhance mechanical strength due to continuous filament mat. Type of woven roving used depends on the design and load-bearing requirements. S glass is more expensive. C glass is less common in high-load applications. It has high strength and durability in terms of tensile and flexural strength. Easy to handle due to light weight. Being non-conductive, it is ideal for areas with electrical hazards. Resin system includes resins that can be unsaturated or vinyl esters or epoxy, mixed with hardener and solid fillers. Mixing of UV stabilizers and pigments prevents discoloration and degradation from UV exposure. Gel coating application on mold surface provides UV resistance, chemical resistance, and an aesthetic finish. Layers of CSM or woven roving are placed based on load-bearing requirements. The sequence is determined based on load-bearing requirements, resin type, and environmental conditions. This slide provides the numbers and types of fiberglass layers that are essentially needed to be placed in a manhole cover depending upon its applications for light, medium or heavy-duty use. Alternate CSM and woven roving prevents delamination and ensures uniform strength. Too much resin makes it brittle, too little weakens bonding. Core material like foam or honeycomb are for lightweight, while solid laminate are best for extreme loads. Curing is managed either at room temperature for polyester or vinyl ester resins. In order to accelerate the curing, heating around 60 to 80 centigrade can be carried out. In some cases, low temperature post-curing of those parts that have been cured at room temperature will allow reduction of internal stresses. After curing, the extra edges and material must be shaved off and outer perimeter trimmed to the required dimensions. Anti-slip coating may be applied on the outer surface of FRP manhole before final packing preceded by QC. Finishing and surface treatment are the essential steps in the manufacturing of FRP manholes and gratings. This ensures customer satisfaction and long service life. Different coatings and their use is described in a separate slide. FRP manholes are inherently corrosion resistant, but adding a surface coating can provide extra protection against harsh chemicals, abrasion, and UV radiation, extending their service life and improving safety. The choice of coating depends on the specific environmental and mechanical challenges of the application. The most common and effective options include epoxy, polyurethane, and polyurea. Manufacturing unit for FRP manholes requires medium budget investment that yields good profit. Products must comply with EN 124 and ASTM standards. Free guidance by Technology Education and Mentoring Center is available on this subject.